Hey, it's your boy Jay Will back with another video. Quick video update on ClickBank and Google Ads. As you can see, today is Friday, February 12th, about 5:30 p.m. There we go. Let me log into my Google Ads account. Go to my ad overview. Today, February 12th, spent about 64 bucks, 35 clicks. There we go on my ClickFunnels. This is the landing page I'm currently using. Come on. All right, swing over to ClickBank. Today is February 12th. As you can see, I made 160 bucks. Let's go to the calculator. You take 160 bucks minus the 64 in ad spend. I made about 96 bucks in profit for the day so far. So just a little quick motivational video. In the meanwhile, just like, subscribe, comment. Follow me on Instagram at JWillTV. You guys have a good day.